What's up, Voro riders? A lot of you guys been asking what are the best scooters for beginner riders and students. This is it. This video is for you. Behind me, you will find the 6 best scooters for beginner riders, students, and those are the most affordable scooters here at VoroMotors. Some of them look similar, but some of them look widely different. But what they all have in common, those are lightweight scooters. You can carry them anywhere. You can ride them to go to school, or you can ride them around campus. And we're gonna tell you all you need to know about those scooters in today's video. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Now let's talk about the InMotion Climber. This scooter can boost 26 miles an hour. It's a dual motor scooter. It has a beautiful screen here that you can see even when it's very bright outside. It has a beautiful thumb throttle, and this scooter only weighs 45.8 pounds. And that makes it very portable, and it's easy to fold just like so. It has a hook here. You just hook it in the back and you just, lift it like that. And you can even lift it with one hand. I'm not even that strong. And the best of it all, this scooter only costs $699, and that is one of the most affordable scooters here at VoroMotors. Next, we have the eMove Roadrunner SE. This is a beautiful scooter. We have 2 different colors in them. For you guys who already know the eMove lineup, they usually come in black, but for this specific model, we have this beautiful white color. I really like it, and a lot of kids and girls like it because of this color. This scooter go up to 20 miles an hour. It has a 500-watt motor. It has a beautiful plush seat, and it's one of the best seated scooters here at VoroMotors. And if you want to, you can buy the pizza bag to put on the scooter for more storage. And you can have a phone holder here to put your phone when you're riding, so you can see the map, you can play music, whatever you want. And if you want to, you can transform this scooter into a beast because this scooter has a lot of potential. And this scooter is also very portable. I will not lift it with one hand, but we can see how portable it is. It only weighs 30 pounds. And the best of all, this scooter is only $899. Next, we have the eMove Touring. The eMove Touring is one of VoroMotors' fan favorite. This scooter is a great beginner scooter. It can go up to 25 miles an hour. It has a range of 32 miles. And this stem right here can go up and down. It's for all ages. It's also very portable, and this scooter is only $899. Next, we have the older brother, which is the eMove Cruiser S. This scooter is also one of the best sellers here at VoroMotors. It's also a great beginner scooter. The eMove Cruiser S is one of the best daily commute scooter because you can get up to 62 miles on one battery charge. It can go up to 33 miles an hour, and it has a 1,000-watt motor on it. And it also has a max load of 352 pounds, and you can get all that for $1195. Next, we have the eMove Cruiser V2. This is our latest model of electric scooter here at VoroMotors. This scooter has been a long time coming, and to be honest, it's one of the best scooters in the market right now. But this is our brand new version of the eMove Cruiser, the scooter that you all guys like. We had to give it a whole makeover. This scooter is very beginner friendly, and it's also a daily commuter scooter because you can also get 62 miles range on one single charge. It can go up to 33 miles an hour with 1,000-watt motor. The max load is 352 pounds, and you can get all that for $1499. You can also put a lot of accessories on the eMove Cruiser V2, like this front bag, this phone holder, and this cup holder. This scooter is also made for all type of height. If you're tall, if you're big, this scooter is made for you. And last but not least, we have the eMove Roadrunner V2. This is one of my favorite scooters here at VoroMotors. This is my go-to scooter. Every activity that I'm doing with VoroMotors or everywhere I'm going, I usually pick this scooter because it has a dual motor. The rear one is 500 watts and the front one is 350 watts. I also love the form factor of the sitting scooter. I like to see when I'm riding, and that's also a very portable scooter because it's small. You can put it in the trunk of your car. Even if you have a sedan or SUV, whatever car you have, you can put this scooter inside of your car. It can go up to 34 miles an hour, and the max load is 330 pounds. And if you're like me, you like black color, it comes only in black color, and you can get all that for $1495. Like I told you guys at the beginning of the video, a lot of those scooters are similar, but you can also see they are different from one another. Let me know in the comment section below which one do you like, which one you would like to get. Me personally, I like the eMove Roadrunner V2 for a seated scooter, and when it comes to stand-up scooter, I prefer the eMove Cruiser V2. Those are my personal favorite. Let me know which one you'd like to get. Until next time, happy riding.